E-Tech Pro Class Interior Detailer has excellent cleaning properties, a fresh pleasant scent, leaves no residue and is silicone-free, returning a like-new factory finish to vehicle interiors. Effective on all types of vehicle interiors, from vintage cars to modern-day supercars. Ideal for use on traditional surfaces such as wood, veneered, vinyl and plastic, as well as modern and specialist surfaces like carbon fibre, brushed alloy, piano black and lacquered. The non-greasy, non-shiny and non-slip formula makes the interior detailer perfect for high-contact areas such as steering wheels, gear knobs, switchgear and handles, gently lifting and suspending surface dirt for safe removal when wiped. Advances in chemistry techniques have allowed the development of this smart, powerful yet gentle modern interior cleaner that is non-aggressive and solvent-free. Fabric safe, so can be used on all types of upholstery, including leather seats, mats, carpets and even headlinings, for example. Shake well before use and rotate the nozzle to either spray or stream depending on your requirements. Apply directly onto the surface or onto a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Wipe clean and allow to dry naturally. For stubborn spots, allow to work in for a minute or two and then agitate to loosen the dirt or dust before wiping. Repeat cleaning process as necessary. Pro Class Interior Detailer, part of the E-Tech detailing and valeting range.